There's ignition and liftoff of Falcon 9 and Euclid to go in and investigate dark matter and dark energy and how it affects our universe. Upper stage with the Merlin vacuum engine. And then following that, the first stage, B-1080, will begin its landing operations. So standing by for Miko. And there it is. Waiting for stage separation. And there is that gorgeous view of Earth there from the second stage.
Wow.
And ignition of the Merlin vacuum engine.
Look at that clear view.
I know, it's incredible.
Is that a new camera?
I feel like it is, because that's an incredible shot. Only using that one engine to land, and there you can see a shortfall of gravitas. Ah, that's so cool. We should see landing leg deploy here shortly. And there that is. And touchdown.
Wow.
That was such a cool shot.
Yeah.